5. Lift jack for street bike. With a hefty lift capacity of 1,200 pounds and dynamic lift height range, it can be used to lift street bikes, cruiser bikes, and adventure touring motorcycles. It will not fit snowmobiles. Heavy-duty steel body and steel sleeve, with easy adjusting lift height. The durable red coating is highly resistant to oil, grease, and dirt. The extra wide top platform provides a large contact area for better balance and support to your motorcycles, so you can find the bike center of gravity without the hassle. Number 4. Motorcycle Scissor Lift Table. Lifts large custom motorcycles up to 1,500 pounds from 7 inches to 31-14 off the ground. Table platform with a approach ramp, front extension, and wheel chuck. Includes a centerless motorcycle jack for front or rear tire servicing, air-operated, requires 90 to 110 psi minimum. Heavy-duty steel construction with an 8-position safety lock system. Number 3. Stand-up motorcycle lift. Our motorcycle table lift makes it easy to access the hard-to-reach area as on your motorcycle. Motorcycle lifts give you a helping hand, so you can maintain and repair your bike on a lift table with ease. Our lift tables have a 1,000-pound capacity to handle almost any bike. The right motorcycle lifts for Harley-Davidson bikes, racing bikes, or dirt bikes. Our hydraulic cylinder enables slow and controlled descent for a more precise and safer work experience. Whether you need an ATV lift or just a table lift, you can now create your ideal working environment with a few simple steps. Our product performs like a professional table lift. Number 2. Powerbuilt Triple Lift Jack. This is highly durable. Patented design features both a removable lift saddle and padded lift rails. Lifting capacity of 40 pounds. Locking safety bar holds jack in place once raised. Easily lifts cars, trucks, ATVs, or replacing transmissions or differentials. Patented design features both a removable lift saddle and padded lift rails. Flexible design allows the triple lift to adapt to multiple types of vehicle frames. Number 1. Heavy-duty jack. Powerful and convenient, robust and durable, steel body provides rigidity and stability. Points of the vehicle swivel, saddle for convenient positioning, under the vehicle. Two-piece handle, complete with long, two-piece handle for ease of operation and reduced operator fatigue. Vehicle protection, rubber cushion on the saddle prevents marring of the lift. Cushion on handle, prevents damage to the vehicle.